Hi, we're here in beautiful Florida to talk about TileBond roof tile adhesive. TileBond has two different packages, a 23-pound cylinder for larger jobs, and then our 28-ounce repair can. So inside the kit, you're going to find the 23-pound cylinder of material. You're going to find an 8-foot gun hose assembly. You're going to find a wrench to attach the gun hose assembly to the tank. And then you're going to find our instruction book. In the instruction book is everything you need to know to properly install TileBond, including detailed drawings of how to install the product. And this is in English and Spanish. So to use the product, the first thing you do is we give it a shake. Once it's shaken, it's basically ready to use. There's no need for calibration. We calibrate it at the factory. Then you attach the hose assembly. Tighten it with the wrench. You don't need to over tighten it. The reason the wrench is small is so that you don't over tighten it. It's just a flare fitting. And then you're ready to go. Open the valve, pull the trigger, and you make foam. All right, when you're finished using the product, you simply close the valve, and then we just let the foam cure in the end of the nozzle. Because it's moisture cured, it's only going to cure about an inch back. So that's all there is to putting the product away. When you're ready to restart it, you simply twist the nozzle, and then take a number 2 screwdriver or a piece of wire and push the plug of foam out of the end of the nozzle. Make sure the O-ring is still on it. Reinstall the nozzle, open the valve, and you're ready to apply foam. So it's that simple. Now the other product we want to talk about is our 28-ounce repair can. To use this can, remove the cap, take the straw and trigger, and attach it to the top of the can. Shake the can for 15 to 20 seconds. Keep the can inverted. Pull the trigger to apply foam. When you're finished, simply bend the straw back, put it on the little tip on the valve. When you're ready to use it again, simply pull the straw off of the tip. If there's any foam cured at the end of the straw, just give that a little snip, cut it off. Give the can a shake, invert it, and you're making foam again. So it's a very, very simple product to use. The other thing we're very proud of is TileBond now can meet 99% of the new code requirements of the 2020 Florida Building Code. So there's virtually no job in Florida where you can't use TileBond. So TileBond becomes the clear choice for both homeowners and installers. Homeowners know that their roof is going to be secure for decades to come, and installers know that with the ease of use that they can be confident of a job well done.